Welcome to Healthy Kitchen Wizard, where simple ingredients become something truly beautiful. If you love cooking, if you care about your health, and if you believe that food should nourish both the body and the soul, you're in the right place. Here, we create delicious, wholesome meals using fresh, simple ingredients. From rustic artisan breads to comforting, nourishing dishes. Everything made with intention and a touch of elegance. As a behaviorist, I've spent years understanding how we care for ourselves. And I believe that the kitchen is one of the most powerful places to begin. Because what we cook and how we eat shapes how we feel. This isn't just about recipes, my friends. It's about slowing down, creating, and truly enjoying the process. So if you're ready to cook with heart and eat with intention, subscribe and join me in the Healthy Kitchen Wizard kitchen, where we make simple food beautiful.